This image is called Nathan. Nathan is the avatar of the collective mind of humanity, or of the Homo Veritas, the humans of truth. It's what Nema thought as, or what Nema has seen to be the next evolutionary state of humanity. Nathan is its avatar. It represents the perfected individual and the collective individual. This means the individual that is all individuals, attached to the single individual in its perfected state, of course. So here we can see half of a face and half of a head. And here it appears white, but we know this is golden by what Nema has written. The other half is in the shadow, and the half that is in the shadow seems to be under the sun, under the bright sun. This seems to be the daylight. The other half, the golden half, the part of the face that is distinguishable, seems to be under the night, the darkness of the night. Yet there is the moon. This is interesting because the individual self, the face that is distinguishable, the golden face, is under the moon, under the rulership of the moon. And this indicates that the individual self seems to work here as the subconscious works, while the collective self, the self that is in the shadow and that is all faces, it is the day side self, the conscious self. So we see a replacement of polarities here. The meditation itself is not unlike the meditations we have been doing, for once incorporating the Godheads, then the stars. In this case, we are to empty our minds and our thoughts, and we are to make our minds disappear and receive the minds of all human beings, of the collective human being. So our thoughts are the thoughts of the whole of humanity. And so are our feelings. This is the work to be done. We are to do it for as long as possible, again, starting with 10 minutes as a way to achieve something. So we try to get to the 10 minutes, then we start heading 5 minutes and 5 minutes, at least until we get to 30 minutes without any distractions. In this state, this is 30 minutes after we have achieved this state, when we become Natan.